Listen. They're back with the Hunger Game theme song. They stopped now. All right, there was sirens going off. Oh, wait. Now you hear the upstairs. Sirens, Hunger Game songs, and dropping shit on the floor. Shit's unbelievable, right? And there's an aircraft flying overhead. Eh, well, this is my day so far. Okay, trying to at least relax, get my mind refocused. But when all this stuff happening, you can't. And that's the purpose. It's to bombard you with noise and with remote monitoring to and just disrupt you. All right, so now I have no focus. I can't really um, read anything really. I mean, I try to read a couple of articles. Uh, can't do it. I have psychology I got to do. Can't do that. So I don't know what else to do. But I'm gonna still keep exposing. Doesn't matter if they do this to me every single day, 24/7. I'm still gonna expose it, and that's what they want to silence you. This is why, particularly, this is why they're doing this to me so heavily in terms of the noise campaign and the remote monitoring. It's to silence me. I was just watching a video, and the person said something. It was Charlemagne the God. He said something about having. He's like, I want a nice ass crib, and as soon as he said the word ass, right, they started honking the horn. So there's certain words that they know how to react to in terms of when people say certain words, they'll do a honk or a siren and stuff like that. And I speak about this, and I still have to do that video, right? But I'm just waiting because I got to start writing these things down. So until I do that, then I'll do the video on certain words and certain images that they use, imagery, words that they use in combination with the remote neural monitoring and the noise campaign. All right.